You can now see the voting for having a member of parliament elected for our party ticket. We now want to warmly welcome him.
Man is here. This is the time to commission this practice. We have a Chetigweni group. What? Are you here? We are here. Yes. Omanera, are you here? Yes. Omuron, Umanos, women. Thank you. Madara farmers. Amuno farmers. Otatai. Allah Karos Magic Group. So our guests, I am sure you have heard. They are very excited. They have been trained. They know what to do. They know how to start. But maybe before you commission, we can give you one so that you hear if they are really done. But we also have the certificates which are going to hand over them. Thank you. Can we have Madam, are you ready? We are ready. Please. Are we safe? Are we safe? Move a bit. It is hand over the key to you. And it's so to say, we start with this. Dia ibari kama misoma anjibera na samkina alikuwa ni inakaa klapana mage unyo akor amisukini kosi kwani ndazo season le jok ndio iko ndio na bomu asamata no ine pepe amori kinozaka nini asamata jok to so bati borolo we jok adara kwa klanu nyu jok alama kama metango rejende karia
Ando would provide them with a health center 3. Indeed, the people of Otatai gave us 99% of the vote. We had a meeting with the Minister of Health 2 weeks ago under the budget framework discussions with the committee of the budget, and the minister said she is thinking about the people of Otatai's promise every morning, afternoon and day, and she must deliver a health center in Otatai. As your member of parliament, we will work with my friends to see to it that we complete the project in Morapesur, that we shall complete the project we started in Kichinjaji, and that by the grace of God, that we shall start the project of Aloet as we had promised them. Ladies and gentlemen, these are some of the many things that you could talk about as the achievement of the NRM. Our government is working hard to transform agricultural production through modernization of agriculture. And today you witnessed a small bit of the start of what we want to do. We lobbied and were given 8 handheld tractors that we have initially given to the peri-urban or semi-rural wards of the city. We will also continue to advocate for other agribusiness related projects for the people at the city center who don't have to till in the gardens. And I hope that as the time when the Ministry of Agriculture stabilizes, we should be able to procure some of the basics like the chicks that we initially gave the groups. We need to bring some more chicks so as to support your groups, so that at the end of the day, you can be able to mobilize and raise some income for yourselves. I want to urge the groups that have received these handheld tractors that please do not restrict the machine to only the members of the group. Oinyere weki oriberenu tractor ngi kede jode de sound it. Yala ma Soroti City, yala ma gauna NRM, enya kasi duo somero, yala me kosi ngare no koke.